Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do a Friday flowers. It's been a while. So I thought we would make some pansies today, and I'll show you the set I'm using. It comes from Alinacutle store. It makes some different type flowers. There's stamens in there, but I thought we could try some more uses with this set. So we're going to try pansies. So here's a close-up of mine. So this should be really easy. So we're going to make this color right here. So what I did was I cut out 3 of the little hearts that will represent petals, and then I cut 1 out in a pink. So to give it that color, I cut out 3 of these little accents. That's what I'm going to call them. So these are going to be really easy to make. So I have my stylus. It's a 6mm. I'm just going to flip these over and just emboss them a little bit. Not a lot, just along these edges right here. Okay, so it just has a slight dimension. And then I'll also do that for the pink one. Now to put this together, which is going to be really quick, we're going to actually layer the little accents on there. But you can do even more detail, like the little lines. If you look up a pansy on images, it'll show you what it looks like, and it has like this little type of accent in the petal. The petals are a little bit more round. They're not heart shaped, but I thought I would just leave them as is. I hope to bring you guys more flowers. I'm trying my best to get caught up on videos. So I thought I would do this simple flower today. And so here's the last one that I'm going to glue onto the petal like so. Now we're going to kind of put them in this position where they're not over layering, the petals too much, but and there is a circle that holds it, but I don't want anything to show. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of glue right around this area right here, and then attach it to the center like so. And then we'll do the other one and give that a little bit of glue, like right along here. So this is what we have so far. Then we'll take the third, well, the color, the pink, the 4th one, and put that like that. So that's how it's looking. Now to make sure everything's glued, I'll just press slightly in the center, like so. And then for my center, I'm just going to use some Nuvo crystal drops or glitter drops. Now you'll have to tap it a little bit because there's like a little point, and then that'll round it, make it more round. So that's my quick little video for today for Friday Flowers. I just thought I'd come on and share that you can make different flowers than what this set was originally intended for. I don't really know what size petal this one is, but it's this one and this one, and there's like several hearts in the set, so this is like in the middle. So that's all I used to make these. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link the set in the description box below if you want to pick this up and make some different type of flowers. I just want you to know that there are other flowers you can make with it other than what you saw on the website. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.